नवयुवक शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली welcome you in e-learning platform prepared by myself Dr. Shubhangi P. Chauhan, Assistant Professor and Head Department of Botany, guided by Principal Dr. D.N. Sate sir. Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University Nanded Semester Pattern Curriculum under Choice Based Credit System CBCS for Undergraduate Program, Faculty of Science and Technology, Subject Botany, Year BSc Second Year. Semester Pattern Curriculum under Choice Based Credit System CBCS for Botany, BSc Second Year, Semester 3rd, Theory Paper 6, Plant Anatomy, Unit 1st, Meristematic Tissue, Subunit Introduction and Scope of Plant Anatomy. Second point, meristematic tissue definition, classification based on origin, function, position and development, organization of root apical meristem RAM and shoot apical meristem SAM, apical cell theory, histogen theory and tunica carpus theory. Unit 2nd, tissue system in plant. First, simple tissue, parenchyma, collenchyma, scalenchyma. Second, complex tissue, xylem and phloem. Third, secretory structure in plants, lactiferous tissue, latex, cell and vessels, glandular tissue, external glands, digestive glands, nectatory glands and internal glands, oil glands, hydatodes. Fourth, adaptive and protective system in plants, stomata, epidermis, cutin, cuticle and other type of covering epidermal appendages. Unit 3rd, anatomy. First, vascular bundle, definition and types. Second point, primary structure, root anatomy of monocotyledons, maize and dicotyledons, sunflower. Anatomy of monocotyledons, maize and dicotyledons, sunflower. Leaf anatomy of monocotyledons, maize and dicotyledons, sunflower. Primary growth in roots and stem of plants. Unit 4, anatomy. Second, secondary growth, normal secondary growth in root and stem of dicotyledons, sunflower. Anomalous secondary growth, acranthus stem, microbials, bignonia and Darcinia stem. Wood anatomy, annual rings, wood elements, hardwood and softwood, sparing wood, summer wood, tension wood, economic importance of wood and wood elements, dendrochronology. Next, periderm, development and composition of periderm, radiodome and lenticles. Botany curriculum, BSc General Semester Pattern Choice Based Credit System CBCS, Skeleton Question Paper, BSc Second Year, Semester 3rd, Theory Paper 6, Time 1.5 hour, Maximum Mark 40. Note, attempt all question number first, single answer type question or two sub question A and B of 8 and 7 marks. This question will be based on any two unit with equal weightage to each unit. Question second, single answer type question or 2 sub-question A and B of 8 and 7 marks. This question will be based on any 2 units with equal weightage to each unit, excluding unit used in question number 1. Question number 3, attempt any 2 of the 4 A, B, C, D, each of 5 marks. Note, this question shall be on entire syllabus and must have 1 sub-question from each of the unit. BSc second year annual pattern CCBP second, practical paper 10, based on theory paper 6 and 8 practicals, maximum mark 15, practical exercises 17 practical. BSc second year botany annual pattern skeleton question paper practical paper 10 based on theory paper 6 and 8 for time for 4 hours, maximum mark 14. Note, attempt all questions show you preparation to the examiner, draw and net well-labeled diagram whenever necessary. Question number 1, make a double staining permanent preparation of the given specimen A. Identify and describe the internal structure: maize stem, sunflower stem, Mervelius bignonia acranthus stem for specimen A may be given alternately to the students. 10 marks. Question number 2. Make a temporary preparation of micronization tissues. Give material and describe xylem elements. 10 marks. Question number 3. Describe T.S. anther oblique L.S. of Warhol with the help of given material flowers. 8 marks. Question number 4. Identify and describe the given